The Japanese company still needs to keep its models fresh even if half of its factories had to wind down and adjust October production according to the incredible state of the automotive industry. And across the compact crossover SUV segment, the bread and butter is represented by models such as the iconic RAV4. So, we have seen Toyota update the best-selling CUV at home in Japan at the beginning of last month, followed swiftly by the sharper-styled 2023 model year and the new GR Sport trim for Europe. As such, virtual automotive artists have been keen to imagine either the refreshed looks of the 5th generation model or simply skip the informal redesign and jump on board a hypothetical new generation. Such is the case with the Pixel Master, better known as Carbizzy on his YouTube channel, who has dreamt of a bold, big front grille and unique take on the potential 6th generation 2024 Toyota RAV4.